Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make this type of realistic glass effect in Adobe Photoshop. First, add new gradient fill. I am using this blue gradient for the background. You can use any of your choice. Now select your type tool and type your text. Increase its size. I am using Times New Roman font for this effect. Right-click on this layer and open the blending options. Set fill opacity to 0%. Now click on Bevel and Emboss. And follow my bevel and emboss settings. Now click on Inner Glow and follow my Inner Glow settings. Now click on Drop Shadow and follow my Drop Shadow settings. Now you can change this text by double-click on it. Also, you can apply the same glass effect on any object. For example, I have this Canada leaf PNG. Simply right-click on the text layer and choose Copy Layer Style. And select this leaf layer. Right-click on it and choose Paste Layer Style. And that's it. Let's try this on another image. I hope you like it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.